Hello everyone and welcome to this week's short video tutorial on basic mid-game tactics. This is based on a material from the free book that's downloadable at the World Xiangqi Federation website. So, a quick analysis of the board would show that this would be in the early opening phase. Black had already Black was now red had two chariots, two horses, two cannons, full guard. But black would have one more pawn with the similar number of major pieces, also full guard. So black had just captured the central pawn and was offering a trade of material. Now this is also another game from two Xiangqi experts, as was stated in the book, but nothing else is known about the game. According to the authors, this example would demonstrate how to maneuver the cannon to dislodge enemy chariot when attacking. So in the game, red chose to offer his horse as a sacrifice and chose to advance the chariot to the elephant's eye. Now this is a very threatening position for both chariots, because now the cannon will be left hanging, and let's say if black captured, black would immediately capture the cannon and be prepared to go for the crowning checkmate. Either r6 equals to 5 or r5 equals to 5 would be a checkmate. And because both chariots had already blocked the elephant, this cannon would be safe. So that is why the black horse cannot move, and instead black was forced to play r2 plus 2 to protect his cannon from any possible attack and be prepared to capture the horse. Now this is a very powerful attack, and black was forced to protect in this manner. So sorry, h3 plus in the match, h3 plus 5, and black did not choose to capture material. He wanted to keep the cannon here, and by advancing the advisor, red could also play k5 equals to 6 to threaten checkmate. And in the match, a4 plus 5 was played in anticipation of this move. However, this would seem a little bit unnecessary. Instead, black could have played r9 equals to 8 to get his chariot out and try to fight for the initiative. So red finally traded material, and after making this move, red will now apply the tactic of dislodging with c2 plus 5. Now the black chariot will be forced away, and black chose to protect this very all-important central pawn so that he could free his horse to move if need be. But red will now move his king to safety, and in the match, black played h7 plus 6. If he played r9 equals to 8, the cannon would advance, and again black would be prepared to capture the advisor to go for a kill. For example, let's say black made another move. Black would be threatening to checkmate. Again, red would still capture the advisor and go for a checkmate. So that is why, sorry, backtrack a little bit. Again, with this move, red will still be going for a checkmate. So that is why r9 equals to 8 would not be viable either. So red captured the horse, and now it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 major pieces versus 3 major pieces, and red will still have an option of going for the iron ball checkmate. And red again dislodges the black chariot. So if it moved away, either way, red will capture the central pawn, and red will go on to win very easily. So a short recap: in this match, black was prepared to capture the horse, but red countered very brilliantly with r6 plus 7. and black cannot capture the horse or it will be a crowning checkmate. And red finally traded material, a prophylactic move, another blunderous move by black. R9 equals to 8 would have been better. Traded material and tactic of dislodging. Threatening, there's always a threat of a checkmate. H7 plus 6 was a sacrifice, hoping to relieve some pressure. And show minus 3. Black tried to dislodge the cannon, but red played c2 minus 1 to gain a winning position. This is quite a nice short and sweet example of the tactic of dislodging being used in actual play. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.